Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard Junior KG, semester 2nd book. Yesterday we have completed small letter R. Small letter R. R for rainbow, R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rose, and also one more alphabet, small letter S. We have seen S. S for soap, S for soap, S for socks, S for socks, S for sunflower, S for sunflower. Yesterday we have seen, and I asked you to color the rose and also sunflower. Today let us come to one of the new alphabet, small letter T. Small letter T. Page number 33. Page number 33. T for tub. T for tub. T for tap. T for tap. T for tree. T for tree. Yes or no? Tub means, do you know? Butti. Big tub it is. You can sit in this and do the bath. And this is tap, null. And this is tree. This is tree, paid. So, now trace the line to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the pattern. See here. Trace the line. One straight line, little bit you have to bend here, this way. थोड़ा सा लकीर खींच के थोड़ा सा बेंड करना है नीचे से. देन middle line you have to give this way. Now write the letter T. Now write the letter T. Yes. T for tub. 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 This is new small letter T. New small letter T. Okay. See here. Small t. T for tap. 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 Small t. T for tree. Small t. T for tree. Small tree. Small t. T for tree. Small tree. T for tree. Small t. 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 T for tub. Small t. T for tub. T for tub. Small t. T for tap. Small t. T for tap. You must read and write. This is a tap. This is a tap. This is a tap. Okay. This is a tap. What you must say? This is a tap. This is tap. This is tub. This is tree. Small t. T for tub. T for tub. T for tap. T for tap. T for tree. T for tree. This way you have to say and write. You have to say and write. Yes, you should say small t, T for tub, small t, T for tap, small t, T for tree. In this way, you have to say and write for two. As soon as you write as soon as you complete this page, you just write in your 4-line book. In your 4-line book. Yesterday what we have done? Yesterday, see here, R we have wrote, no? Small r. Small s also we completed. Now we will write here small letter, that is small t. Small t. Here small t, T for tub, T for tap, T for tree. Small t. You have to write like this. T for tub, T for tub, T for tree, T for tree, T for tab, T for tab. In this way, you have to write full 2 pages in your 4-line book. Have you understood? Okay. Here, can you see, no? Yes. Cross the odd one out. See here, cross. You have to do like this way. See, this way we have to cross, because these two are same fruits, and lollipop is separate. So we have to cross the odd one. We have already crossed. This is seer, this is fish, and this is tortoise, which live in the water, which live in the same. Flower is odd one, we have cancelled. And seer, pencil, ice cream is odd one, so we have crossed this one. And now seer, fly, this is bird, this is butterfly, and this is honeybee. So bird is out. Here bird is out. So have you understood the similar objects? Rubber, similar. Pencil, similar. Pencil, then pen, similar. These are similar, okay? Chocolate will be similar, like that. Rubber, scale. If something is put rubber in here, if you keep rubber, no, pencil, rubber, these two are similar. Rubber will be out. You have to cross the rubber. Now, we will see, we have already learned the rhymes. I hear thunder, teddy bear. Yes or no? Yesterday we have learnt I hear thunder, teddy bear, old MacDonald, and sounds of animals. So, see here. I hear thunder, oh don't you, Peter patter raindrops, I am wet through, I hear thunder, Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Peter patter raindrops, Peter patter raindrops, I am wet through, I am wet through. The second one is teddy bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Off to school. After that, Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a move here and a move there, here a move, there a move, everywhere a move. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack here and a quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And also we have learnt sounds of animals. Sounds of animals. The dog says bow bow. The dog says bow bow. The cat says meow. The cat says meow. The pig says oh ink. The pig says wink. The pig says oink. The owl too. The duck says quack. The duck says quack. The crow cow. The crow cow. The hen cluck. The donkey hee haw. This is the sounds of animals. So today we will learn one more new rhyme, that is zebra in the zoo. Zoo means what, do you know? Yes, anybody will tell me? Zoo means where all the animals are kept in the zoo. Have you ever visited a zoo? तुम में से कोई जू गए हो जहाँ पे हर प्रकार का प्राणी होता है? All types of animals will be there in the zoo. So, zebra in the zoo. Zebra prancing in the zoo. You look like a horsey. Who painted you? White and black and white. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra prancing in the zoo. Zebra prancing in the zoo. You look like a horsey. You look like a horsey. Who painted you? Who painted you? White and black and white. White and black and white. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra prancing in the zoo. Zebra prancing in the zoo. Who? You look like a horsey. You look like a horsey. Who painted you? Who painted you? White and black and white. White and black and white. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra prancing in the zoo. Zebra prancing in the zoo. You look like a horsey. You look like a horsey. Who painted you? Who painted you? White and black, black and white. White and black, black and white. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Zebra, you are a pretty sight. Okay, now I have completed the rhyme Zebra in the Zoo. Page number 56. Page number 56. You have to learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. I hear thunder, teddy bear, old MacDonald, sounds of animals, and also zebra in the zoo. Zebra in the zoo. Your homework will be A to Z capital letters. A to Z capital letters. Capital and small letters A to T. Capital and small letters A to T, 2 pages, and small 2 pages. This is the homework for you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.